Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about unlocking healthy weight gain secrets for girls. Weight gain is a topic that receives a lot of attention, but it's not just about numbers on a scale. It's about nourishing your body and feeling your best. So, let's dive into some tips to help you on your weight gain journey. First, it's important to focus on nutrient-dense foods. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your diet. These foods will provide the necessary vitamins, minerals, and energy your body needs to thrive. Next, make sure you're eating enough calories to support weight gain. Keep track of your daily calorie intake and make sure you're consuming more calories than you burn. This could mean adding an extra snack or increasing portion sizes to meet your goals. Incorporate strength training exercises into your fitness routine. Building muscle mass not only contributes to overall strength and fitness, but it can also help you gain healthy weight. Focus on exercises like squats, lunges, and lifting weights to target different muscle groups. Remember to listen to your body and give yourself time to adjust. Weight gain is a gradual process and it's important to be patient. Celebrate small victories along the way and don't get discouraged if progress is slow. Lastly, prioritize self-care and be kind to yourself. Your weight doesn't define your worth, so focus on nurturing a positive mindset and embracing your unique beauty. Thank you so much for watching. We hope these tips have helped you unlock the secrets to healthy weight gain. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. Remember, you're amazing just the way you are.